The metadata area on the right of the genome heat map here is a very important component of the Human Epigenome Browser. Each column is one metadata term, and by clicking on the term, it allows sorting the tracks or grouping the tracks according to this term. And also, you can drag it to move around the group of tracks, or right-click on the color block to change the color or do the other operations. What is more, this metadata color coding style allows user to very quickly picking up patterns from the data that associates with the metadata. So this metadata allows the configuration in two ways. User can decide the order of the terms that sits in this panel. It's very simple, just by drag the term and move it so that the terms can be placed next to each other to allow the easier comparison. And also, user can decide the term that shows up in this panel. In order to use this, you need to go to this metadata tab in the control panel. Click on it, and you can find this list where when you mouse over, you can see the cursor turn to the pointer, and means that it's clickable. By clicking them, and more detailed terms will be displayed. Click again to hide them. So this is a very simple metadata vocabulary that we created to annotate the tracks that we have currently. And each row is one term of the metadata. So there is a checkbox following each term. By checking on it, I will show you more clearly. By checking this term, and you can get one additional column in the metadata panel. So I just checked the DNA methylation, and then here the DNA methylation shows up. I can move it to the epigenetic mark, which is its parent term. DNA methylation is the child term. So comparing them, you can see that the epigenetic mark contains the DNA methylation color blocks. But for this group of tracks, because they are the histone marks, and they do not belong to the DNA methylation, so the color for them are gray.